Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open online account of Nationwide Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Nationwide Building Society. And click on this first website over here. Now here we can see current accounts and choose the account type you want. So let's go for current account. And if you scroll down, we can see various options for bank accounts. Choose any of this you want and click on Start Application. Now we have got 11 steps. At first, we need to enter all of our details about ourselves, that is our name, contact details and address history here. The next step will be our employment and income details. After which, we need to enter our arranged overdraft. And next is we need to enter our insurance details, and after which we need to enter our travel insurance details as well. After which we need to share our breakdown cover and mobile phone insurance, and the next step is switching bank account, and after which your new account will finally be created, and we need to agree to the terms and conditions, that is important information here. And after which at the end we need to enter our ID details, and once the verification is done and all of our information is finally checked, the Nationwide banking account will finally be created online. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.